Yeah, hi Tim, it's Mark at FMAV. Okay, just to let you know that your part's all done. Sorry about the delay with the video. I've been just so busy, it's just gone mental. So yeah, I'm a little bit behind. But yeah, okay. So basically, what I've done with your part here, when I got it, I noticed that basically this spindle part here, okay, it was really sticking, and the reason that's been sticking is because it's either been dropped or hit a little bit too hard when someone's been playing with it. Someone's thrown a clamper on it, because that wouldn't have happened in the machine. So I've taken this little bit off and pulled it up, like half a mil, so it's working. I've put a new laser in. There's a brand spanking new laser in there. The cogs are, they were pretty dirty. I've given it a good clean, but it's had some very, very hard use. Okay, so I'll be honest with you, because it's got the original cogs in there, and yeah, it's had some use. It's an old part, and it's been in a club or a pub at some stage throughout its life, and it's just it's seen better days basically. But I've cleaned it the best I can, and you should get another 5 years, depending on how you use it really, 5 to 10 years maybe. But yeah, just keep that in mind. So I've done that for you. So I'm going to put this on, but I want you to note that my I don't know if you, well, hopefully you're going to hear it, because the my amp ain't working as good as what it was, and I'm using the headphones, so the sound might not be come out as good as, I don't know whether you can hear that, but that's the sound on there. So yeah, that's all working as it should be on there without any errors and any skipping or anything like that. And I've had it on test for quite a few hours now. I have double tested it as well, because I did test it last night and it's working fine last night as well. So it's been sitting in the office all day. You can hear that there coming in. So yeah, I'll just turn that off, and what I do is I'll start it up again so you can see it all working again. Let me just turn that up again. You can hear them when they kick in. It's like a ch-ch-ch. Can you hear that? Yeah. So, all right, and Tim, I'll that'll be in the post for you tomorrow, buddy. And yeah, thanks again. Oh, and with the custom stuff, yeah, I've not heard anything. But like usually they ask for the money up front, but I have had it where they ask for the money about 2 months later because of this bloody stupid COVID crap. So I don't know, but you seem like a decent fella, so I'm hoping that you'd sort of, sort it out. If I'll get a customs bill, because customs bill on £200 would be 40% in total. So we're looking at what, £40 plus whatever they charge you for their sorting at the office, which would probably be about 55 quid in total, something like that. And I'm only charging sort of £62 for the laser, so I'd be out of pocket pretty well for that as well. But yeah, if you can sort that out, if it comes to it, I'd appreciate it. But okay, that'll be in a post to you tomorrow, buddy, to your UK address anyway. So thanks again, really appreciate your business. If there's anything else you need, just give me a shout, and you've obviously got a 6-month warranty on that as well. So yeah, just give me a shout. Cheers, Tim. Have a good one, buddy.